What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy once again, JU12, aka Bubba. And guys, I am back with another quick review. And as always, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash that notification bell for upcoming vids. And I would also like to thank all the new subscribers for joining the Bubba Files family. Welcome to the family. And guys, we're on our way to 1,000 subs, so continue to share and support. Continue to hit that subscription button. So I promise you, I have shoes I have to go back that I am way behind on, and I will get those done for you guys. So thank you guys for all love, support, those who's rocking with me, and I appreciate that. So without any further ado, guys, let's get into the shoes that we have right here. These are your Jordan 5 Laney, or you can say the Laney 5s, and the all blue colorway. Now, we all know the Laneys, the other colorway that we had was like white, mostly white with the yellow and blue in it. Now, the Laney background is Michael Jordan's high school. It's his old high school where he played, so every time, every blue moon, they release a Laney. So I think this was actually the only, maybe the second colorway of the Laneys, but they did a revamping or a remix to them. But I think they are dope. I like the old ones, but I do like these. These are dope. I like what they did with it. So these released also on February the 2nd. These retailed at $200, but I mean, just looking at this shoe all around, I mean, this is a dope shoe, man. I like the colorways. I like what they did. You have on the back here, and on your fives, unless you have OGs, you got your Nike Air, but you have your Jumpman symbol there. 23 on the side in yellow, and that's stitched in. And you have on the shark print here, right here. Got that in yellow with the cement here, right there on your midsole, right in there. And you got your air bubble there. Yeah, also you got the yellow with the icy translucent. You got the icy translucent sold on there, which I think is dope. I really like that, how they did those, but these are pretty nasty. Alright, on your tongue here, I didn't have my light on because when you try to record with this light, it just glares and it's hard to even see it. So you got your yellow Jumpman right there. And right there on the back, you can see it, guys. You got your Air Jordan there. On your insole, you got your 23. Insole is pretty dope. Now, I do like this insole. I can't really get a good look at it for you guys, but there's a little bit, size 10, of course. So you got 23 and the Laney colors in there. And you also get a pair of strings that also comes with it. I don't know why they're my strings like that, but... And this was another pair I also caught from Nike.com. So you got your lace locks right here. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it on the Laney 5s. But I just think what they did with these are very dope, man. I don't know how they would look with this yellow, the yellow strings, because this yellow is kind of like a gold. It's a little bit off. It's a little different, but overall, man, dope ass shoe. So salute to Jordan Brand Nike for bringing back the Laney 5s, guys. So there you have it. And this has been JUDL12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files Lego.